Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have a Falkland Islands set. It is a case set, however it is not all the same year. There are different years for this coin set, and I need to get to my thingy. Right, we have the 1 and 2p, we have the 1p, the 2p, the 5p, 10p, 20p, 50p, pound and £5 crown, or the crown. So let's get down and have a look at the set. All of these coins have Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II on them. So now the 1p coin is from 1987 and she's a set of penguins. The mintage for this 1p coin that's in this case is 111,000. Okay, the 2p coin shows a seabird, which is a upland goose, or sometimes known as the Magellan goose. Again, it is from 1987. It has a queen on the other side, as all of these coins do, and the mintage for this coin is 106,000. Next one up is the 5p, and the 5p is a black and brown albatross. It was minted in the year of 1998. I cannot see any mintage figures for this particular coin. So that's 5p. Above it is the 10p. And the 10p has seals on it. It is from the year 1998. And again, it has no mintage figures. Next one along is the 20p coin. This has the sheep on it, which is the emblem or part of the coat of arms of the Falklands, as you can see next to it. You have the sheep on the top of the shield, so it's part of the coat of arms, the sheep is. And it appears on the 20p coin. This coin is minted 1988. There is no mintage figures available. The next one up is the 50p, and this is one of my favourite 50p's from around the that's used like a definitive 50p, and this is the wolf or Arctic fox. Not the Arctic fox, the fox, Falkland fox. I believe it is sometimes known as the warrah, which is W-A-R-R-A-H. From my understanding, I think this particular animal is now extinct. It's a 1998 coin and it has no mintage figures available for that year. The last but one coin, we don't have a £2 coin in this particular set, or in this particular case set. You have the £1 coin and it has the coat of arms of the Falklands on it. It was minted in 1999. Now, proof issues for this particular coin this year was 2,500. However, there is no mintage figures for the for standard coins or circulating coins, or even BUs. The final coin in this particular cased set, or cased coins, is the 50p crown, and it has US and UK flags. This coin was minted in 1995 for the 50th anniversary of VE Day, of the end of the war on VE, VE Day, which was victory in Europe, of course. I was thinking of the actual landings on the coast of Brittany and such like, Normandy. But that wasn't VE Day. That was an entirely different thing. Not thinking straight, Steve. This is a beautiful commemorative 50p. I don't believe it was ever circulated, and there are no mintage figures for it. I think it was a special one-off commemorative coin. So, that's the case. It's not a set, it's not a year set, it's just a set of Falkland coins. There is not a £2 coin, which I know the Falklands do, but all the same, it's a nice set. They range in dates from sort of 1987 through to 1999. So they're not a year set as such, they're just some coins that show, you know, what the Falklands issue. As I say, there is one missing from this, and that's the £2 coin. Now, I don't know how many £2 coins the Falklands have actually issued, but that's by the by. What do you think of this set? When I saw it, I thought it was a good set. It gives you a good overview of all the coins, all the types of coins that the Falklands issues. And it was cheap, to be honest. It wasn't hugely expensive on the third party market on eBay, and I jumped at the opportunity of having it. So, what do you think of this? It's not a year set, it is just a group of coins that somebody's got together and just put it into a Falkland Island casing. I do like this set, if you can call it a set. Tell me, what do you think of these coins? Which coin stands out the most for you? I think the two for me are probably the commemorative 50p and the actual 50p. Stand out for me. However, please tell me down in the comments what you think is the best coins. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. If you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. And if you have not yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? I'm trying to reach 250 by the end of this year, by December the 31st. I've just gone past 200, and we're now in the first week of September, so it is doable with your help. And until we meet up again, thank you for watching, and from me, bye bye, ta-da now.